How to start a digital marketing agency. Success in the digital marketing world isn't just a possibility. It's an opportunity waiting for you to seize. Today, we'll embark on a journey that will transform your life and career. Are you ready to learn how to start a digital marketing agency and unleash your potential? Let's dive in. Number 1. Introduction to digital marketing agencies. Welcome to the world of digital marketing agencies, where creativity meets technology. These agencies play a crucial role in helping businesses thrive in the digital landscape. From small startups to multinational corporations, everyone seeks the expertise of digital marketing agencies to boost their online presence. The growth potential in this industry is enormous, as more businesses shift their focus to the digital realm to reach their target audiences effectively. Number 2. Assessing your skills and knowledge. Before you take the plunge, assess your marketing and business skills. Identify your strengths and weaknesses to understand where you excel and what areas you need to develop. Acquiring relevant digital marketing skills and certifications will enhance your credibility and build trust with potential clients. Remember, continuous learning is the key to staying ahead in this dynamic industry. Number 3. Defining your agency's niche and target market. To stand out in the digital marketing arena, it's crucial to find your niche. Whether it's social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, or pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, specializing in a specific area allows you to deliver exceptional results to your clients. Research and identify your target audience and ideal clients to tailor your strategies and services accordingly. Number 4. Creating a business plan for your agency. Every successful agency starts with a well-thought-out business plan. Outline your agency's mission, vision, and core values. Develop a solid business model and revenue strategy to ensure sustainable growth and profitability. Remember, a clear roadmap will guide you through the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Number 5. Legal and financial considerations. Now that your vision is taking shape, it's time to address the legal and financial aspects. Register your digital marketing agency as a legal entity to protect your business and build trust with clients. Understand financial planning, budgeting, and pricing your services to ensure profitability and fair pricing for your clients. Number 6. Building a strong online presence. A compelling online presence is vital for any digital marketing agency. Create an engaging website and showcase your portfolio to impress potential clients. Utilize social media platforms to attract clients and demonstrate your expertise. Remember, your online presence will serve as a reflection of your agency's capabilities. Number 7. Assembling your team and resources. Your agency is only as strong as the team behind it. Hire the right talent with the necessary skills and passion for digital marketing. Additionally, invest in essential tools, software, and equipment to streamline your operations and deliver top-notch results to your clients. Number 8. Developing services and packages. Design tailored digital marketing services for your clients based on their unique needs and goals. Craft attractive packages and pricing options to provide clear value propositions. Customized offerings will set your agency apart and foster strong client relationships. Number 9. Acquiring clients and networking. Generating leads and prospecting clients are essential steps in growing your agency. Implement effective strategies to attract potential clients and build professional relationships. Networking within the industry and collaborating with other businesses can open up new opportunities for your agency. Number 10. Delivering exceptional client results. The success of your agency relies on delivering effective digital marketing campaigns and results. Focus on client satisfaction and retention strategies to build a loyal client base. Happy clients will become your agency's best advocates. Number 11. Scaling and growing your agency. As your agency gains momentum, consider expanding your service offerings and diversifying revenue streams. Scaling operations and managing increased workload requires careful planning and efficient processes. Number 12. Overcoming challenges and staying competitive. Digital marketing is a competitive landscape, and challenges are inevitable. Learn to address common obstacles faced by agencies and stay updated with industry trends to remain competitive and innovative. Number 13. Tracking performance and analyzing data. Metrics and analytics play a vital role in measuring campaign success. Implement data-driven strategies to improve your clients' ROI and enhance their digital marketing efforts. Number 14. Nurturing long-term agency success. Cultivate a positive company culture and a supportive team environment. Adapt to changes in the digital marketing landscape to ensure your agency's long-term success and relevance. Number 15. Case studies and success stories. Learn from real-world examples of successful digital marketing agencies through case studies and success stories. Draw insights and inspiration from their journeys to refine your strategies. Number 16. Final thoughts and next steps. Congratulations! You've learned the essential steps to start your own digital marketing agency. Remember, success in this industry requires continuous learning and adaptability. Take action on what you've learned, and the possibilities for your agency are limitless. Thank you for joining us today on this transformative journey. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Digital Marketing CC, for more insightful content. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting updates, and until next time, keep conquering the digital world. The power of digital marketing, in your hands.